With all the billions of people in the world, it's amazing to think that we're all different. When we're born, each of us grows according to a unique set of instructions that are inside every cell in our body. All living things are made of cells. They're like small packets of life. Inside each cell is a nucleus where the instructions are stored. This instruction manual is called DNA and contains all the information needed to make you, you. With billions of letters making up each person's manual of instructions, our DNA is huge and is coiled up to fit inside every cell in our body. But how does DNA actually work? On its own, it can't have an effect because it's just the instructions. Cells are like tiny factories that follow instructions in the DNA to create proteins, the building blocks of every part of our body. To create a protein, first the instructions have to be identified in the DNA at the nucleus, almost like a highlighter pen on typewritten text. Then, this instruction is copied, in other words, transcribed, into a message called messenger RNA that leaves the nucleus. This message is then translated to the language required to make the protein. It's rather like IKEA. In the factory are the golden instructions to enable all the different furniture to be assembled. This is the DNA. If you're getting a table, then just those instructions are copied and inserted in the packaging with the panels and screws. This is the messenger RNA. Then you must assemble the table according to those instructions, like a factory making the proteins. Proteins don't last long, typically a couple of days or even less, so they need to be constantly produced to keep your body healthy. Proteins have many jobs in your cells. They carry the information to make your brain, stomach, muscle, all of you. 3 important functions of proteins are building tissues and muscles. Protein helps to make you stronger. Digesting your food to help you produce energy. And strengthening the immune system to fight off infections. So your DNA is there inside you. It's working all through your life to keep you healthy and making you become the special individual that you are, along with everyone else and every other living thing on our world. In many ways, we're all very similar. 2 arms, 2 legs, hair, and so on. And yet, we're all different. Even in the largest crowd, we can recognise our family and friends, just by how they look. When you think of the population of the world, the potential for variation is huge. And it's all achieved with DNA.